Automatic payment process.
Great. Now, what is so good about APP?
Time consumption.
Time,
It will save
Saves time
time.
and efforts.
take time, accurate the payment process.
It is accurate.
Overcomes difficulties of the manual payment process.
Accurate and scalable.
It is scalable. What is scalable?
Elasticity.
Elasticity.
Like
Hmm.
elasticity.
So you can stretch it, na? Yeah, it is stretchable, na? Depending upon business needs. If your business volume increases, that also it will support. Correct? So you have ups and downs in business, it will support. Okay, good. Next.
Any number of condition can be given.
Conditions. Now, when I'm making payment, I want to put some filters. Na? For these vendors, I don't want to pay. These dates, I don't want to pay. Correct or not? These business areas, I don't want to pay. Like that, na? I want to put some conditions. Correct? Based on the conditions, system will work according. Good. Okay, so APP is automatic payment process. It simplifies the payment process by overcoming the difficulties associated with the manual payments. Correct? It saves time and effort associated with payment processing. It is accurate, it is scalable, any conditions can be set up. So all these are advantages. Correct? Good. So here there are two things now. One, we have to configure APP. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Another one is we have to
Run
run it.
APP.
Yeah. Who will configure the APP?
Consultant.
Consultant.
Consultant. FI consult. We, that is we. Where we do background noise, guys, please, whoever it is. If you are not sitting in quiet environment, don't unmute. No? You can answer for yourself. Okay? Yeah. Okay, now, so what I was saying is, just 1 minute.
Where we can configure.
Okay. Right. So now let's proceed. So FI consultant will configure in what is the T code? FBZP.
FBZP.
Now APP run who will do? Run is done by the
End user.
end user. End user where he will do the run?
F110.
F110.
Correct? I will show you. I'll show you the screens that will make it better for you. So you go to /n FBZP. So this is FBZP screen where we maintain the payment program. This FBZP screen who will do? Consultants. We will. So this each one is actually a screen itself. If I go click, it will go like this. So this is one screen. Got it? So each one is not like a single screen. It is like an individual setup in itself. Correct? So each click, if you go, it will take you to some other screen. Okay, and inside there are other screens. Correct? Like that. Okay. So this is the FBZP screen. Then we have APP run screen, that is F110. This is APP run. Here user will give like this. What is the date today? 7th of January 2025. And identification number he will give. Parameters he will give. Correct, like this. He will give which company code, what method, what date. All these things he will give and he will run. Correct? So this run will be done by the user. This configuration is done by the consultant. Okay? First, we'll start with the configuration. Without doing this configuration, can we do the run?
No, sir.
First configuration, then run. No? Correct? Okay, so now first note down. Note down, one by one we will note down what are the steps we need to do. So the order in which, yes.
I'll join late today.
No problem. I am just recapping what we discussed yesterday. So I said, no, this configuration part is done by the consultant. Run part is done by the user. Okay, I'm just starting now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So let's go to. Okay, so now the steps, no, one by one. FBZP. Okay, so we don't go in this order. We have our own order. Yeah, we cannot go through this order. We have to follow our order. Okay, first step is payment method in country. Okay, note down payment method in country. So I'm APP configuration. I'm talking. FBZP. I'm talking. In that step number 1, payment methods in country. Okay, note down. Now, second one is payment methods in company code. Second one is payment methods in company. CO.CD is company. Third one,
હવે ચાલુ એમાં
background noise.
નહીં હોતા કે
Altaf, noise from your side.
સોરી સર
Okay. So now number 3. Number 3 is paying company codes. Okay, paying company. Paying company. Number 4 is all companies. Okay, but all companies. Number 5 is house banks. Number 6 is
Bank
bank
determination.
determination. Okay, no. This is the order in which we have to do because one step is dependent on the other. So you cannot do this step without doing this step. There is a dependency. That's why we have to do in this order. Okay, no. Aditya, you are okay, Aditya? Aditya, Zainuddin, you're okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Actually, I have a power cut issue.
Fine, no problem. No. Right.
So just to scroll up the screen.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you please allow me a minute? I'll write it down.
No problem. Take it. No problem. The best thing to is to write down, guys. I'm telling you. You may see. I know you all have good mobiles, very good pictures you can take. But it's not good, no? It's not good. Long time after, 3 months. See, after these pictures, you have birthday pictures, you have selfies, so many things. So you cannot go back and scroll through those pictures, no? It's not the correct thing to do. So that practice is not good. So better write down, have a proper notes. So maybe after, when you join, see my students after joining in the company also, they will be referring. 4 years into consulting, still refer the notes. That are useful, no? Lifelong.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Like, how it is different from manual posting, like APP and the posting we have been doing. So,
We will do, no? In about 2-3 days, we will do.
actually, I was worried about the concept, like what's different. So, can you overview just on this?
Yeah, yes. So let us experience, then I will
Okay.
we will
Okay.
compare. Okay.
Okay.
So, sir, you said this one is automatic, and the earlier we read was manual. So, companies are using both automatic and manual, or it's just
Companies use 99% they use automatic. Okay. That
okay.
doesn't mean that manual is not there. When their automatic is in trouble, correct? Yeah. So suppose if they have made 1,000 payments, they will use automation process. In that one payment problem has come. Maybe they will take separate approvals for that and do manual payment for one guy. Na?
Yeah.
Correct. So manual is still there. When required, we will use. Very rarely they use. Is that
So,
clear?
as a consultant, like, do we need to configure? If suppose company requirement is automatic, so we do the configuration of automatic um, uh, payment method like accounts payable, the automatic system. But when the requirement comes, then only we will do the manual configuration, or we will do both the configuration at a time.
See, manual is required because automation is dependent. Na? See, all these connections APP will use. Whatever you have done for manual process, discounts, account assignment, we give, na? All that APP needs that. Without that, you cannot do APP.
Okay, so
Understand?
first we have to do the configuration, the manual one, and then this one.
Of course. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and APP coming, that doesn't mean that manual is going. No, manual also will be there. Right? When required, I will use. Very rarely. You understand? One payment I do, yeah, manual. 1,000 payments? Of course.
Automatic.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
See,
I'm
one
the live
payment.
example, sir.
Okay, what is okay? Tell me. I want.
Every day I'm doing 50 plus company code payment automation, and for 20 to 22 company code I'm doing manual every day.
Okay. So you are using APP right now?
Yes, sir. I'm using F110 and F-53 both.
Both you are using. Correct. Yeah. So who is that? We have a live end user here. Who is that?
Mallikarjun.
Mallikarjun. Okay, good.
So, sir, this is for accounts payable, or in the previous classes we learned accounts payable, receivable, and asset accounting, right, sir? So
Yeah.
for all these three, we'll have the automation.
This is automatic payment, ma. This is payment program.
Okay.
So payment means it will come in payables only.
Payables.
On payables.
Correct?
Yeah.
Right. There are other automations in other things. This is
Okay,
payment.
for
Payment.
receivables.
This is for accounts payables. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's start with payment methods in country, guys. First step, payment methods in country. Note down payment methods in country. Click on this. So payment methods in country means which methods are allowed in the country. So one country is there. See, the SAP is not for India, na? SAP is for all countries.
Yes, sir.
So in the country, which methods are allowed?
Sir, where you go first?
So you go to FBZP. In FBZP, I went to this first step. This one, I gave the notes, na?
Yeah.
Step, payment method in country.
Okay.
Correct? This one. You click on this. Payment method in
Country.
Click on this. Click on this. Okay. So what is a payment method? Means payment method. Payment term we discussed.
Yes, sir.
Payment term, you know, guys, all of you?
20.
Yes, sir. OBB8.
OBB8 payment term. No, what is what?
0050 0000.
Cash discount term.
0001, N30, NT60. All that is payment term.
Terms.
No, I'm not talking payment term. I'm talking about payment method. Method means what is the method? Cash payment, online
check
payment,
DD.
check method,
Check DD.
bank transfer. Correct or not? NEFT, NEFT, how I am making the payment. No? That is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, so I have to in some countries certain methods are blocked, illegal. Like I want to do Bitcoin payment. Kada? It's banned in
It is
some
illegal.
countries, no? Yeah, it's illegal.
Yes.
In some countries it is permitted. Got
Yeah.
it? Yeah. So
US.
in your country, which method is permitted? That method you have to create. Okay. Okay. Let us create one method, guys. Okay. New entries we give. What is our company code? India.
ZAPL.
Payment method, any method, only one character, A, B, C, D, E, any method you can create. Okay. Right? Any method, one character, only one character allowed. Okay. Suppose I am creating a payment method, something like A. What is this method? This is my
Payment method.
check method. Okay. Check payment. No? I want to do check payment. Why I want to do check payment is, first I want to show you check payment. Why? Because see, when I do check payment, I can show you full length. Na? I can show you the creation of proposal. I can show you the payment process. I can show you the check issue process also. I can show. Kada? Full picture I can show. If I use some other method, na, then it will stop with the payment itself. Kada? Whereas for in the check method, I can show you the issue of the checks also. Okay, that's why we will do first check method. Okay, yeah, no. It is used for outgoing payments. Payment method classification, it is bank transfer or check. Which one?
Check.
Check. Okay, next. Next, select allowed for personal payments. Personnel, it is not personal. Huh?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
personal means your personal. Yeah? Are we doing personal payments here?
No, sir.
No.
Personnel
Company.
means company, HR, salary payments. Correct? Personnel payment. Okay, no done then. Then you tick this one, street PO box allowed. Then your document type you give ZP, ZV. Okay, I will explain you what is ZP, ZV. Okay, no done.
Just a minute, sir.
Yeah, no problem. No problem. Okay. Yeah.
1 second.
Swapnil, you are okay, Swapnil?
Yes, sir.
Any login issue is there?
No, sir.
No, right. Right. See, when I get time, I will talk to all of you guys. I want to know the status, no, what you are doing. One by one, I will talk to you. Okay.
And
Okay, done? Yeah.
Hello?
So,
Hello.
okay. Yes, ma. Yes, tell me.
What's the version we are using?
We are in
Sure.
ECC right now. We are in
Oh,
ECC.
version or version, sir?
Version 6 only, 6.0.
6.0.
Why you are not using online server? You are using your laptop or what?
My laptop only, sir.
No, you are online access you have or you
Yeah,
are
yeah.
online only. Good. Okay. No, if you are using something else, then variation will be there, slight variation.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Right. Okay, now done. ZP, ZV, na? ZP, ZV.
Sir, it is sir, just screen.
Yes, tell me.
A street post box number. It is already ticked, sir. We are ticking.
So if it is here, you may get this problem, no? So don't press enter, no? Just now, you see, I'm just showing you. See here, you may get, I will also get this problem. It may get like this. An entry already exists with the same key. Means someone has already created a method.
A.
Okay, you can use something else, B, C, D, like that. Okay.
Sir,
Or if it is already there, no, don't need to create. Actually, this we are creating at what level? Country level. Country level. We are creating at what level? Country level. Na?
Country level, sir.
So whatever you create, others can use. So
Okay.
other company code people also can use your method. Same way, other methods, other people methods you can use. Yes. So you are not creating for company code. You are creating for
Country.
So
Country.
whatever company codes are in that country, all of them can use it. Is there any restriction? No
No.
restriction. So whatever you create, others can use. Whatever others created, you can also use. Is it clear? So don't worry. If it is there already, we will use it. No? We'll just check it. We will use it. Okay. Okay, no problem.
sir, same as clearing document post type.
Just 1 minute. So I'm showing you. So country India, payment method A, check method. I'm just showing you. Yeah. Okay. Check, personal payment. Then I'm giving street PO. Then document type ZP, ZP and ZV. Okay.
Sir, I don't understand ZP and ZP.
I will tell. Yeah. See, normally when I am doing the payment, no? When I am doing manual payment, when I am doing manual vendor payment,
Okay.
manual vendor payment, what is the document type?
KZ.
Yeah. KZ.
KZ.
KZ156.
KZ. What is the series?
15.
0015. 15.
No, it is no 00, no? 15.
No, sir. No, sir. 15.
Yeah. So the document type is KZ. Payment is document series is 15 series. No?
KZ.
Correct. So the document type is KZ, series is 15 series. But here when I am doing automatic payment, the
Okay.
document type will be ZP.
ZP.
And the series will be 20. Okay, I will show you. Okay, better I show. So here in OBS 7 /n OBS 7. Okay, position. So now
Yes,
previously we were using KZ, na?
Yes.
KZ. KZ is vendor payment.
Vendor payment.
15 series. This is manual.
Okay.
But if I am doing APP payment,
ZP.
ZP will come. Payment posting by automatic process.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I am seeing, so what is the, okay. So let me, so what is the number series for this ZP when I go?
50.
ZP when I open, what is the series?
20.
20.
KZ is using
15.
15.
ZP using
20.
Yeah.
20 series. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So if I see one document, okay, suppose if I see one document like this, okay, what do you understand?
Manual
about it?
payment.
Manual payment.
Manual payment.
If you see one document like this, then
Automatic.
Automatic
APP.
payment.
so you are clearly differentiating between manual payments, automatic. So this will be what document type? This will be KZ document.
KZ.
This will be
ZP.
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 So whenever you see the document, you know this is done manually, this is done automatically.
Automatic.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can we give two series for both document type KZ and ZP?
There is
Same-
confusion, na?
Same series, huh?
Ah, sir.
You can give,
Yeah.
but
Okay.
but you are unnecessarily losing that
Configured.
losing that advantage, no?
We can determine with document type.
You can
Yeah,
determine.
yeah.
But if you don't see the document type, then
No, when we are doing reporting, we want all the like payments document means 2 series will be good for reporting purpose.
So see, reporting purpose, you can include both the documents. No? Why
Yes,
we
yes.
need? You can include both. No?
But we can give both 2 series documents, sir.
You can give, no problem.
Okay.
System will not stop you. The only thing
Okay.
is you will actually it's a disadvantage. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now. So here if you change, then it will change. Here if you put for KR also, see what happens is if you put OBS 7 and if you are going to KZ, if you put 20 here, 2 series here, then it will use a 2 series for that also. Got it? Yeah. But here what will happen? A new guy joins in your company. He
was configured.
he will get confused.
Because what is the
So every time, this
automatic
is a
payment?
standard. This is a general standard. 15 for that, 20 for this. And you are going against the standard. Na? So every time it creates a confusion. Someone looking at the document, he will think that this is automatic payment, where it is a manual payment and there is some fraud there. You ignore that fraud. Why? Because you thought that it is a manual, it is automatic payment. So again, you have to tell every consultant that in our company, for manual and automatic, we are using same series. Got it? So
yes.
that problems will pop up. Okay? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So next one. Next. So now. So we are doing this step. Okay. ZP. ZP is used for clearing. ZP
Documents.
is used for payment. Yeah. Both ZV and ZP, they both are using 20 series. So right? Good. Okay. No done. Then tick this one. Use classic payment medium program. Is someone's talking? Okay. Use classic payment medium program. Program name is RFF OUS_C. This is the check print program. Yeah. This is the program to print the checks. Okay. No, no. This is the program to print the checks.
_C, sir.
_C. C is checks. _C.
Sir, are we going to create that variant?
What that program name it is? We don't create program. It's a program. It is provided by SAP.
If you want to modify anything, something.
That's a program. No? Variant we can modify. This is not a variant. This is a program.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Variants for this program we will create separate.
Okay, sir.
Okay, note this, guys. Everybody note down.
Done, sir.
Okay. It's a payment. What's this? Payment medium program.
Payment medium program. It is a program to print the checks. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now you save it. Save. So now if it is there already, no need to. So if I try to save, it will say it is already there. No? Yeah. So
Yes.
I will not create a new one. I will just use an existing one.
Can we use C payment method, sir? C abbreviation for check.
Yeah, C is also there. You can use.
C is
This is
also
a standard. This is a standard.
Okay.
C is the standard one provided by SAP. See, everything is the same.
Okay.
Correct? Yeah. This is slight
Payment
variation.
medium program.
Program is it is used in different way. Yeah, we
So
are using
scroll the screen, sir. Just
this
last.
one, this use this one. Okay, right, no done.
Okay, sir. Right.
So program name. Okay, program is already written no, to print the checks. That program name it is.
Sir, if SAP has already provided us with the check program C, then why are we creating a new one?
We are not
Is it
creating.
different?
No, we are not creating the program. We are creating the method.
Okay.
Method we are.
Payment method.
But payment method for check is already there.
No, payment method is not there. Payment program is there. Inside the method, I have these variations. Na? I can use this method. So different methods are there. Na, you see. So I have options. Na? Why can't I choose these options differently?
Okay.
Correct? You understand the point? Yeah. So I can create two methods for the same check. Of course, using different options, can I select? Of course, yes.
Okay.
Got it? Yeah. So method options vary.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
hello.
Yeah.
So small doubt here. When you have given a payment method of C and you have clicked on save, at the down screen, at the
Some other
payment
program
method,
is.
yeah,
Programs vary. That's a different program that we will use separately. Okay, not this is we are right now we are using check method, na? Right? So
yeah,
this is
I got. We have clicked on the check method. Here we are getting some other program, right? Underscore C. We are getting yes.
correct.
Why?
Correct. So this the certain other requirements are there. This is another program. This is also used for check, but slight variation will be there. This is used in some countries.
You took C, na, sir, that time.
Yeah, so that time we took C. This is not ours, na?
Yes,
so
sir.
we are
So you
using
took.
C. All of you use C only, okay?
Yes, sir.
We are using which method? Which
A
program?
method.
We are using
A.
A method.
method.
In that we are using which program?
RFA,
This,
USC.
this program, okay?
Yes, sir.
Don't give that method. You will give this this
You
program.
at that time you show like you were showing us to us to click this one.
Correct.
Hello.
Yeah.
So it came at like this means this underscore C. Yeah, now it is C. That time you check CHEQU for C method here, and that time it came C.
Correct. So don't worry about that. Do like this, okay? Yeah. First we will get comfortable with this, okay? Yeah. Okay, now note down. So noted this, everybody. So if this
Yes, sir.
method is already there, no need to create. No, it is there already. No, why
Yes,
create
sir.
again? Yeah, no
Already
need
A
to.
is there, so no need to do it.
Yeah. So this method is country level. I will just use it. Just check it once whether he created correctly or not. No, so just check when you open and check it whether he created correctly or not. You just check it. Outgoing payment check allowed for personal payment. State PO box ZPZV and program is there or not. Just check it. Okay. Save. Next one, step number 2. What is step number 2?
Payment method in company code.
Payment method in company code. So which method I will use in my company code? Okay. Payment methods in country means which methods are allowed in that country. Which methods are allowed in that country, that is payment methods in country. Payment methods in company code means which methods I will use in my company. Okay. Okay. Click on this. Click on the new entries. And what is the paying company code?
AFAL.
My paying company code, we are using ZAPL no? Right now. Yeah. So now payment method, which method I am using? A method. Okay. Minimum amount, maximum amount. Minimum. No? See, when I'm running APP, I don't want to run for 1 rupee. No? Yes. Yeah. Right. So there is some difference left over. I don't want to do print the check for 1 rupee, send it to him. No? So I don't want to pick up minimum amount, no? Less than. So I'm saying minimum amount 100. So below 100, do not pick up. Got it? Then maximum amount, maximum means I want to put a limit, no? Higher bar. I don't want automatic payments to happen for $1 million. Na? Correct? Risky, right? Okay, I want it to come to my notice. So I am putting a upper bar, na, maximum amount. Maximum amount, how much? I put some limit, 10 lakhs. Okay. Minimum amount 100, maximum amount 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs.
So below 100 will it pick up?
No.
Above 100 will it be above 10 lakhs will it pick up?
No.
Then that will come to our notice. Okay. Yeah. Then when we have such limit, if you want to distribute the amount, distribution amount means distribute means I want to
Among
split.
yes, among 3 or among 4 among 5. It depends.
Exactly. Correct. So I want to split and pay. Na? I want this 10 lakhs only. I want to split like, 2 lakhs into 5. Na? Like distribute the amount. Okay. Yeah. So if you want to distribute the amount, then you give the distribution amount like this, something like 2 lakh or something. Okay. Yeah. Don't give right now. Don't give. Okay. Right. So I'm giving minimum amount, maximum amount. Okay. No doubt.
Sir, can you please repeat again what is this distribution amount?
So distribution amount is, see, sometimes you have to send money to somebody, right? Yeah. Suppose he's asking you to send 10 lakhs. Okay. You think that 10 lakhs number will reflect. So better I split, na? I split into parts, na? So 2 lakh into 5 times I do, right? That one. I
Okay.
will split and pay. Is that clear?
Okay, the payment will be processed in one go, but it will be like in parts.
In parts, distributed.
It's not installments, it's different.
It's not installments, it's in
Right.
parts.
Understood. Thank you, sir.
What
Okay.
is the use of it?
Why we do like this?
See, sometimes, some charges are applicable beyond 3 lakhs. Correct? So you want to avoid. Correct? So there are some different places, different requirements when you are doing foreign payments or some charges are applicable. Then options are available. You can split and pay. Okay? You can divide and pay. Correct?
So it
see,
depends on country requirement.
this depends on the company code. These people will tell you, we want to distribute after certain amount, we want to distribute and pay. Who will tell us? Our Zoho people will tell us for their requirement. No? Clear? Okay.
Yes, sure.
Sir,
Next.
sir, can you show the path again?
So this is same path, ma. So you go to FBZP. Then you click on payment methods in company code. First one is over. I'm talking about the second one. Yeah. Payment methods in company. So click on the new entries and I'm giving my paying company code. ZAPL payment method. A method. Minimum amount 100.
100.
Maximum amount
10 lakh.
10 lakhs. Distribution amount I'm not giving them. Okay. Foreign business, foreign partner, foreign customer. You want to do? Foreign payments you want to do? Yes. Foreign currency you want to use? Yes. Customer vendor abroad is there. Shall I allow? Yes. Tick this.
You have to say tick all those, huh?
Yeah, tick all the 3. Correct. Tick all the 3. So just follow me, guys. See, when you are first time doing, don't experiment. First, just follow me. Later on, we can do experiments. Just follow how I am doing. Then you will get the results. Okay, next. Then no optimization, I am explaining now. Okay, sorry. No optimization, I am explaining. What is this no optimization? See, bank selection control. I want to select the bank selection control. So here, suppose my company code in ZAPL, we have a bank account. HDFC bank account is there. This is in postal code some postal code say 50040. Okay. Yeah. Now my vendor has got vendor bank accounts. Yeah. Vendor bank accounts. What accounts he has? He has like he has one is ICICI Bank he has. Okay, this is in postal code, same postal code 50040. Okay, same postal code as mine. You know, postal code means area, na? Yeah. Now HDFC Bank account also he has, but this account is in postal code. It is somewhere else, now 500 360 somewhere else. You understand? Far away. Okay. So now I'm telling the system optimize by bank group. Optimize by bank group. Okay. So which one it will pick up now?
HDFC Bank.
So even though postal code is different, it will pick up which bank of the vendor?
Same bank.
Same bank. Because optimized by bank group, I said, na? Good. If I select optimize by postal code,
Then same postal code.
it will pick up the
ICICI.
Yeah, it will pick up the ICICI. Is it clear? Postal code matching, na? Correct. So nearby it is. So in some countries, postal code would be easier. In some countries, bank group will be easier for better coordination. Okay, so this is options available in SAP. Whatever is correct for them, we will do. Okay, so optimize by bank group means it will optimize by bank group. Optimize by postal code means it will go by postal. No optimization means what?
Any
It will go by the order in which you give. Na? So when I am entering the bank accounts, first I will enter ICICI. Second, I will enter. If I enter like this, then it will pick up what? Obviously, ICICI. See, when I am entering, I cannot enter all the bank accounts in one line. Na? I will enter line by line, right? So when I enter line by line, and if I select no optimization, it will go by the order in which we give. So first one you give, it will pick up the first account. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So I'm selecting no optimization right now. So it will go by the order in which I give. Okay, next. Then grouping of the item. Grouping means bundling of the item. Right. So whatever items I want to group together and pay. Correct. Grouping of the item. Yeah. So single payment per marked item means whatever items I have marked, I can do a single payment for them. Okay. Right. This is one thing. Next, payment per due date. It means due date wise, no? So all the items that are due to that vendor on that day, we are grouping them together and making the payment. Payment per due date, single payment. These are options available for grouping of the items. Okay, we will see, not now, later. Okay, this is grouping of the item. Next. Okay, don't select this right now. Okay, go to form data. Here form. Form means what? Form. Form means always format. Okay, form means format. Format. Form is nothing but format. Format of the check. Format of the check. Okay. See, check. So when I want to print the check, na, the check format, how it should look, what fields should be there. Correct. That format I will give here. Correct. So this format, who will create? We don't create. This is ABAPers will create. This form, whatever we are talking here, this check form, who will create?
ABAPers.
Will create. Okay. Yeah. So why ABAPers will come and do this is, see, this is a dynamic form it is. Dynamic means what? See, suppose, understand?
Frequently changing.
Yeah, suppose I am printing 1,000 checks to give to 1,000 vendors. Na? Yeah. Now you tell me all these 1,000 checks all these 1000 checks, format will be same,
Yes, sir.
format will be same, but content,
Different.
data, na, content,
Data.
that is data will be
Different.
different. So it's dynamic, na. So every check, vendor name different, amount different, correct?
Date.
Is it date different or not? Yes, correct. So the format will be same, but the content in every check will be different. Different vendor, different amount. Correct? So it has to take the data from somewhere, na. So when you do the payments run, the payment related information will go into the payments table. There will be one table at the back end. The payments, whatever payment posting you have done, that payments data will go to the payments table. So what this ABAPer will do is, he will connect this form to the table, payments table. Okay. He will connect this form to the payments table. Okay. Yeah. So he will connect this form to the payments table. So first line it will pick up, no? It will pick up the first line. Okay. First line, vendor number 1. Okay. Name, pick it up. Amount, pick it up. Inwards, pick it up. And then print one check. Second, again go to second line. Okay, take the data from the second line from the payments table. Print the second check. You understand? Na? So the form is, every field in the form is connected to the payments table. So system will pick the data from there and it will print the checks. Is that clear? Okay, so that's why it is a dynamic form. Who has to create it? ABAPer has to create it. So if you go and see ABAP syllabus, if your friend or relative is learning ABAP by any chance, there will be one topic in their syllabus, smart forms. Okay, they will learn how to create the forms. So this is the syllabus of the ABAP people. So they will learn how to create the forms, how to connect the forms to the tables, and they will create the forms for us. So after they create the form, we will give the form here. We will go here and in that. So right now I'm selecting a standard form here. Here, international. Yeah, here we have check with check management. Right, see already check management we have done, guys. Checkbooks and check lots we created.
Wide.
We did not check management. Check house bank is there for us.
Yes.
Check lot.
Yes, sir.
So we can do without check management. Without check management, check number will not come. We have to enter manually. With check management, check will come automatic. Okay, again I will show you. You go back. From this drop down, you click on the drop down. You go to international. From international, you will check with check manage. Okay, no doubt. Pre-num means pre-numbered check. Okay, then you
Sir,
can
once shown check with
check manage here. International, check with check manage. Okay, select. And then here you give authorized signature. Any name you can give, drawer on the form, any name you can. Okay, so you are saying in this company code, I will use this method. Okay, and this is the format of the check. This is standard format provided by SAP. If a client says, I want a different format, my bank format is different, then we have to get in touch with ABAPer, provide him the format requirements, and he will provide. Okay. So when he creates, it will be available here. You will pick it up from. Okay. Note down. So exactly like this you create, guys. Right? Exactly like this you create for now. Sorry. Next form. Next form, yeah. So next form, if this is not working properly, then you can go for other option. Next, what is the next available? Okay, don't give. We will work on first one. Why create confusion? Okay.
Sir, instead of international, can we select country wise?
Country wise, yes, you can. If you have one, you can select. But we don't have, no? India wise, we don't have.
Okay, okay,
We have India wise, don't have. That's why we are selecting international.
okay,
Okay?
okay, okay.
Right, no doubt. So this is step number what? Step number 2, no?
Step
Very
2.
So what we have done today, we have it is our request now. We are in accounts payables. So we completed the step number 1, that is payment methods in country. We are using A method. A was already created. I'm just using it. No need to create again. But I need to check it once, no, whether he created correctly or not. Check it and use it. No need to worry. This is payment methods in country. I have said that I am going to use this method in my company code. Okay, A method I am using. Clear? Good. Now third step. What is the third step? Third step is paying company. Okay, so click on this and we will go and do. So the options that are there in the paying. This is again another screen. Okay, right. So we have to talk about payment advice, sender details, all those things we have to discuss here. Okay, so this will take time. So we better stop here for today. So how many steps we completed, guys?
2 steps. 2 steps.
How many steps are there in FBZP?
6.
6 steps.
Are there. What is step number 1?
Payment
Method in country.
Method in country. Country.
Payment. Second step is
Payment methods in company code.
company code. Okay. Right.
Paying company codes.
Yeah. Third step is paying company codes. Third one is this. This is the order in which we are going. No?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll stop here, guys. I don't want to start the third step and then stop in the middle. We'll do the third step tomorrow. Okay. Good. Okay, guys. Thank you. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, ma.
Yes, sir. I wasn't able to attend yesterday's class, so could you just show me the notes for yesterday?
1 minute. Yeah. Okay. This is yesterday's class. Ma, just APP program we discussed. Now, what is the use of the program? General theory we discussed.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Good. Yes, someone saying something?
Sir, today's first session's notes.
Today's session, it is just this one. Just this.
Okay, got it.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, thank you then. Have a nice day. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.